So next workout natin, sir, first working set para sa shoulders natin. So middle, anterior, tsaka posterior agad yung target natin dito. Upright row tayo. Set natin yung dumbbell natin, 10 to 20 pounds each. Tapos lift, release. So check yung paa natin. Hindi tayo magsisimula sa base. Slide bend, butt goes back. Chest out as always. Tapos abs brace. Tapos lift. Okay, so check. Ganito yung angulo ng kamay natin. Again, wrist is neutral. Imagine may hawak na ako. Ito yung movement ng kamay natin. So up and down. Okay, so par letter V na konti. So dito yan kasi void pa yung ano natin. Yung dumbbell. So check. Up, elbows, same line. Hindi nakataas masyado. Okay? So keep it level. And then yung kamay, nasa baba lang. Okay? Hindi natin itataas yung dumbbell. So usually kasi po, pagka nag-upright row, yung nakikita natin is ganyan. Pilit nilang tinataas yung dumbbell, tapos nakababa yung elbow. Ayun yung pinaka-iiwasan natin, baka mag-snap yung shoulders natin. So keep it like this. Okay, and then pull your shoulders back, down towards your spine. Exhale, inhale. Alright, so 12 repetitions. 4 sets tayo dyan. Pakita natin. It's like this, sir. Neutral yung paa. Wrist natin, neutral. Exhale, inhale down. Exhale up. Okay, side bend sa knees. Pakita ko profile. Exhale, inhale down. And then yung dumbbell, lastly, malapit sa katawan. Okay, exhale up. Slow yung pag-release. So check, elbows up, down. Remember, hindi tataas yung dumbbell kaysa sa elbows natin. Alright. So yun po yung first working set natin. Working your shoulders. Okay?